Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Plant protection, including integrated pest management, IPM. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective is to mobilize and support farmers to use biopesticides and bioagents for plant health management through distribution of biopesticides and other IPM tools and through sale of sprayers and plant protection equipments to encourage organic crop production. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Free distribution of biopesticides and other IPM tools, fly traps, sticky traps, baffle traps, light traps, etc. 50% subsidy on sale of plant protection equipments. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the district agriculture officers of the concerned district through Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions, district training officers in Shillong and Tura. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? On first come, first served basis subject to availability of materials.